Ghana best. That's what people have been saying. Ghana best. I don't know. As I said earlier, I don't know whether I've used this. I've forgotten the name of the particular one I've been using because I'm craving for faku. So I got Ghana best. I think 3 of it, but I don't know whether I should make use of the 2 or 3. And guess what? Fresh scent leaf as well. Fresh ugu. You already know that this ofaku is gonna bang. Okay, stay tuned.
Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible, terrible. You didn't use an irresistible light. You said you and me, it was all that I needed not to die. Terrible, terrible. I don't know how this goes. There's something in the water that you don't want to talk about. Cut me loose, you refuse. 'Cause there's something in the water that you don't want to leave. Say goodbye and then I'll put you in my pocket in case somehow I feel that I don't need you and lose my breath. Terrible, terrible. You keep tugging that invisible thread. If I hold you for a moment, I'll lose my head. Terrible, terrible bad. But I don't know how this goes. But there's something in the water that you don't want to talk about.
Definitely this Ghana best worth it. No, I said I don't know what I'm going to put 2 or 3, but look at this is 2 and I just look at the oil. No, my ofaku. Ghana best. Thank you guys for this, right?
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible.
You wouldn't have imagined that this is thin banga that I use as in thin palm fruit for this ofaku. And definitely, our rice is here. So guys,